Imagine a world where even if your eyes stop working, your brain could still see. That's the vision behind Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, a project aiming to connect the human brain directly with computers, a link where information flows both ways, merging human thought with technology. For people living with retinitis pigmentosa, or RP, a condition that slowly damages the retina, this could be life-changing. In RP, the retina's light-sensing cells stop working, cutting off the signal between the eyes and the brain. But what if we could bypass the retina altogether and send images straight to the brain's visual cortex, where sight truly happens? That's what Neuralink is exploring. By placing tiny electrodes in specific parts of the brain, it could one day deliver shapes, patterns, even full visual scenes, creating a kind of digital sight. It's still experimental, but progress is accelerating, and the possibilities go far beyond restoring vision. Imagine being able to zoom in on distant objects, adjust brightness in the dark, or even overlay information in real time. For someone with RP, that could mean recognizing faces again, moving safely at night, or simply seeing a sunrise. It's early, complex, but full of hope. Each step forward brings scientists closer to reimagining sight, not just restoring it, but expanding what it means to see. When that moment arrives, it won't just change how we look at the world, it will redefine what it truly means to see.